JD Tools here. Today we're going to be talking about the Ryobi EverCharge 18 volt lithium ion cordless portable vacuum. I use this vacuum all the time to clean up after dust and debris around the job sites, and I found this extremely handy. Now some of you may be wondering if it has enough suction power, and some of you that may be watching may be housewives, and you may be looking for something to clean up after your pets, your dogs, your cats, your kids, leaving candy wrappers, breadcrumbs, etc. And I will say that the suction power on this is extremely good. In just a few seconds and you can see it clean the debris up. I'm extremely happy with it. Now, as far as the on and off switch, you may want to make sure that there's no tools rattling nearby, as this is easy to push in and it will keep the unit on. Just to kind of keep in mind about that when you do purchase this item. I've had this turn on quite a few times from other tools. There's no safety mechanism or safety switch here to push in to push on that button. Just kind of keep that in mind. Here you have the release lever for your filter housing unit. Everything pops off nice and easy. I do recommend cleaning the filters out after each use for maximum suction power. Here you have a primary filter and your secondary filter. I will put a link in the description box below for the secondary filters, and if I can find one for the primary filter, if you want to change this out, if you do use it very frequently, I do recommend keeping these nice and clean before every use. Assembly is nice and easy. Put everything back together. Slip it back in. You have a seal here to protect your motor, which is inside of here. I do recommend protecting that motor as much as you can, and I probably would not be picking up anything that is wet, mainly dry items. When you put everything back together, you'll find out you may have everything back together and it doesn't work. And if you notice, there's a gap right there. If I push the button on, it doesn't turn on. And the reason why is because there's a switch right on the inside here. And what activates that switch is this plastic piece right there. If it is not in there and it's not pushing against that switch, it will not let power through when you push the on and off button. So it's essential that you make sure that you put everything back on properly. I put the bottom on first. Make sure it goes on. You hear a clicking noise. Both of these are locked on and it'll work. Overall, I'm extremely happy with this unit. I will put a link in the description box below for the vacuum as well, even for the batteries. I cannot say enough good things about this unit. It has saved me a lot of time. I use this all the time. I really like this unit. I do recommend it. If you are looking to buy this and purchase it, I suggest going on Amazon and clicking one of the links that I'm going to put in the description box below. And like, subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you for watching. JD Tools again here.